Okay, let's talk about the last page of our math about me graph it. I'm starting with my stats milestones. I'm going to pretend that I was born in 2009. So, of course, you would have to talk to your parents and find out when you started walking. I'm going to say that I started walking when I was 1 year old. The year would then become 2010 because I'm adding 1 to our 2009. Let's say I started talking at 2 years old. That puts me at 2011 because 2009 plus 2 is 2011. I started writing when I was 5, so I added 5 years to 2009 and got 2014. I started reading when I was 6. I added 6 to 2009 and got 2015. When I turned 5, which put me at 5 years old, that was in 2014. Let's say my last birthday, I turned 9, and that was this year, 2019. Now I gotta figure out when I graduate from college. Well, that's a long ways away from now because we're only in 4th grade. So one way that I like to suggest that you figure things like this out is by making a tally, okay, as you count up so you don't lose track of your years. So we're in 4th grade, so you still have 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade. When you graduate 12th grade, that will be high school. So then you usually have 4 years of college, so I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know I need to add 12 years from this year, which is 2019, right? Well, wait, our school year doesn't end until 2020, right? Because in January, it becomes 2020. So I need to add 12 years to 2020, not 2019, because you won't graduate from 4th grade until June of 2020. So 2020 plus 5 is 2025, plus another 5 is 2030, plus another 2 is 2032. So you're going to graduate in 2032 college, right? Graduate college. Now you're 9 right now, so we also need to add this amount of years to your age right now to find out how old you will be when you graduate college, if it goes this way, right? So remember, we added 1 to our year, so we need to add 1 more because you won't graduate till you're turning 10 in 4th grade, right? We added 1 here, so we have to do the same here. So you will be 10 when you graduate 4th grade. So we're going to add 10 more to that, which is 20, and then 2 more, which is 22. So in the year 2032, if I'm 9 this year, I will be 22 when I graduate college. Okay, so then these become easier, right? When you turn 20, well, we figured out already when we turned 22. So all I need to do is subtract 2 because I need to subtract 2 here to find out when I turn 20. So 32 minus 2 is 30, right? So 30 is when you turn 20. And now it becomes easier. The difference between 20 and 35 is 15. So I need to add 15 to our 2030, right? So you could actually put it right here. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we drop the 20. So in 2045, you're going to turn 35. Then turn 50, we have to find the difference between 35 and 50 and do the same thing. Then when you turn 75, you find the difference between this sum, you find the difference between 50 and 75, and then you have to add it to this. And then once you have this answer, this answer, you find the difference between 75 and 100, and you add it to this, and you'll figure out when you turn 100. So I've done those for you. So I'm going to let you do the rest of those on your own.